Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this OPPO. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. After that, scroll down again, click on Font and tap on the best font style for you. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, you can save your new style by tapping on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!